Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this modern poster design in Photoshop. Let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and click on Place. Adjust the image size. Then open the Layer panel. Right-click on the image, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Type tool, and type your text vertically. Select All to change its font. I am using the Helvetica black font. And apply the white color to it. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Follow text spacing settings. Select the background layer, and press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. And drag it on the top of text. Select the text layer, press Ctrl+J to create a copy of text layer. And drag it at the top. Select this layer, right-click on it, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select Top Layer, and open Blending Options. Set its fill opacity to 0. Add stroke to it with these settings. Go to the Rectangular Marquee tool, and create a rectangle shape. Hold the Alt key, and add a layer mask to it. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. Follow my text settings. Hold the Shift key to select these layer, and adjust its place. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.